Hello, welcome to this new video with Richard. So on this video I will try to show the Photoshop series tutorial. So on this first video I will try to show the starting of Photoshop, how to create a simple text design. Okay, so I am using Photoshop CS3 and I am portable file. So this is the interface of the Adobe Photoshop CS3. So what you need in Photoshop CS3 is three things to work with this. Okay, first is the tools on the left side, and the right side this will be the Windows navigation. On the menu on the upper top, and this will be the options. Okay, so in creating new file, just Control N, or you can just click File New, and I am creating short paper size with a width of 8.5, height of 11, and the resolution will be 72. And if you try to make your image become more high definition, just make it in 300, but for now I will try to stick in 72 resolution. And okay, so this will be now my working area, the tools and the layers. If there is no layers, just click Windows and click this one layer or F7. So this is now the working area or in the layer. So we'll try to change the background of this layer. So convert to smart object and make the color to black, or you can just click another color, and I will try to stick to black. And okay, and on the text, the tools, click text and just drag. So this text, if there is no color, maybe you change the color in this area. Select, I am using white, so we'll try to put Photoshop, Photoshop. So change the font. Okay, how do we resize this one? Just Control Shift, greater than, and lesser than. So try to fit this and move this one, right? And this is now okay, how to move this one. Just select the layer and move. You can move the text, and to copy paste this one, just press Alt, long press the Alt and drag with the left click of the mouse. You can see there's two, and we'll change with the name of Richard. We'll change the size and drag, but this time I will change my font size, my font style. We'll try to sushi. If you don't have this font, how to add font will be another video. We'll try to look at down, there's a link, and just click to have this how to add font. Okay, but for now I will not demonstrate how to do this. So I have here the Photoshop and the text. So I'm gonna try to put another area, another object, which is shapes, and the rectangle tool. I will try to put this one here, and rasterize layer. I'm gonna drag below the Photoshop and change the color. Just double click and color style with the red, and that's it. And I will change my red shirt. Click the layer and drag to this area, and I will try to control P to resize. And on this area, Photoshop with red shirt. So to have the style, just click this one. I'll try to put the outer glow. So the navigation, we'll try to change the stroke to like to 1, and I will try not play change the color to this one, or maybe the blue color. We're gonna try to use this one again. Okay, and that's it for the Photoshop. Double click the layer and play with a drop shadow, change the angle, and you can put this one right, and everything try to put outer glow, or maybe not, or you can just change that one and stroke for the stroke. I will try to put this gray, but this time I want to change into 2, maybe 1. I'll try to 1, and this time I will try to have my drop down shadow this time, and that's it. And okay, so it's a simple style of how to make Photoshop, and then click this one, save file, save as, and save into the JPEG format. Click to local D, and there is file name, change the file name, sample, put it to be shared, put into this save file, and okay, and then open your file. So this is now the output, the sample output, which is Richard. Yeah, this one. So this is how to create sample of Photoshop text design. Okay, and hope you learned for this video, and once again, bye bye.